So good afternoon. We have the opportunity to talk with Mr. Rémi Oscan, that's the president of French Federation of Blockchain Professionals. And we would like to talk with him about the panorama landscape of French initiatives and also the national strategy, French national strategy about the blockchain skills and European strategies and international strategies about the blockchain skills. So would you please say us, Mr. Oscan, what do you think about the actual panorama landscape of French initiatives in France?
Thank you so much, Parisa, to give me this opportunity to talk with you about the French blockchain national strategy. Since 4 years ago, the French government has deeply issued a clear, strong national strategy. It aims to develop the use of blockchain technologies in various sectors. And those sectors are related to agriculture, and agriculture related to the distribution and to consumption of those products, is related to the industry, manufacturing industry, etc., and is related also to the environment. So it is the three main principal pillars of the main use case that the French government wants to develop in the country. This strategy is conducted by the Direction Générale des Entreprises, which is a specific entity dedicated to companies, to French companies, to discuss directly with the government about this strategy. This strategy is conducted by a dedicated task force named French Blockchain Task Force, and I belongs to this task force. And since that, the government aims to be helped by professional federation to conduct this strategy. That's why the French Blockchain Federation, for which I am the president, is conducting this strategy. So it aims to develop the use of blockchain technology in various areas. This is one of the main aspect of the French blockchain national strategy. Other aspect of this strategy is to favorize the use of blockchain technology in context of identity management. That's why the internal affairs from the government entity used to discuss about the blockchain technology application in the preservation of all the characteristics from the French identity, just like the name, surname, date of birth, affiliation with your parents, etc., etc. And they issued a paper dedicated to it, which has been published last year. And more recently, that the French government is currently making, what can I say, the results from the PACT law, which has been issued in 2019 to provide a dedicated legal framework for initial token offering, but also for digital asset services providers. And now the results of the benefits of this law will appear and will be published by the end of the year. And it will help also to discuss about potential impacts of the European MiCA regulation, which is coming, which programming to coming into enforce in 2022. So that's globally what happens in French regarding those aspects and the use of blockchain technology.
Thank you very much. It's very interesting about talking to this panorama, and I see that identity management is one of the real and important topic even in Europe. So maybe the question is also about the Europe, for example. What do you think, which skills will be important in 5 years or in 10 years, the blockchain skills that can support these topics that you said that they are important? Can you classify them or said us what you think about these competencies or these skills that we will need about the future, how we can anticipate the future of this blockchain skills?
I think what we are currently conducting with CHAISE is really, really important for the development of the blockchain labor market, because we see now an explosion in terms of investment in a blockchain-based startup, because a recent report published yesterday has shown that blockchain-based startups are the second most fundraised sector in the world. So it means that investors are deeply focusing on investment of those companies. So what is the consequence? It is that it will explode the demand regarding profile which are able to use blockchain technology, to implement blockchain technology, to analyze projects based on this technology, and to be able to communicate with other deep tech such as data learning and AI. So the companies now are already offered the various blockchain positions, but there is a lack of blockchain skills which allows people to give a proper answer to the company's needs. And we've seen it, and whatever the area, because the most requested blockchain job we have identified is related to blockchain developer. So it means that they want to use blockchain technology and to develop their own services based on this technology. We find also other requirements regarding blockchain architects, regarding blockchain analysts, regarding blockchain business developer, and there is this demand, so implies to develop the skills related to those occupations. And that's why we have identified that the kind of skills required is related to engineering, civil engineering for sure, systems engineering, but also in terms of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity experts are required in terms of financial aspects, because blockchain technology doesn't help to understand exactly where is the value to use the blockchain technology. So we need to improve the skills related to also to economic aspects, because all of those startups have, most of them have failed to demonstrate a robust business model. So how can we make money by using blockchain technology? How can we leverage the use of blockchain technology? How can we monetize those new assets we will create? And those skills are really, really important. And we have seen in France, yes, explosion of blockchain courses from blockchain, from engineering school, from law school, from universities like yours, Parisa, and also from Institute of Research. So I think we need to develop blockchain skills on the transversal aspects to allow all of those newcomers on the blockchain markets to give proper answers to the need of corporations.
Thank you very much. It is very interesting. Thank you for giving your time and be a partner of CHAISE. We are so happy to have you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Parisa.